In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for seasonal color analysis, a step-by-step guide. Let's start by protecting your privacy before you share any images. On your main dashboard, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Open Settings, go to Data Controls, and toggle off the option labeled Improve the Model for Everyone. This helps keep your uploads, including facial photos and files, out of model improvement and adds a layer of protection for your personal data. Next, gather precise color information so the analysis is grounded in real numbers. Take a makeup-free, unfiltered selfie in bright, natural, indirect daylight. Think facing a window but not in direct sun, and avoid warm indoor bulbs. Open the photo in any editor with a color picker, like a free mobile app, Canva, or Photoshop. Use the eyedropper on a neutral area of your cheek for skin, a representative area of your hair, and your iris for eye color. Copy the hex codes you get, such as #E7C1A4 for skin or SHA4A3525 for hair, into your notes. If you can, sample a few nearby pixels and average mentally to avoid shadows or color casts. Now, prime ChatGPT with a detailed prompt rather than a single question. Use Shift+Enter for line breaks and paste this exactly, replacing the brackets with your codes. Act as a certified personal color stylist, image consultant, and master esthetician. I want to determine my correct seasonal palette using the 12-season personal color system. Here are my exact color parameters extracted from a natural daylight photo. Skin tone, hex, insert skin hex. Eye color, hex, insert eye hex. Hair color hex, insert hair hex. Before you analyze, ask me 2 highly specific check questions one by one regarding my natural skin contrast and how my skin reacts to gold versus silver jewelry so we can narrow this down perfectly. Then answer those 2 questions carefully. They help lock in undertone and contrast. When your hex data and undertone notes are aligned, move your results into a focused workspace if your interface supports it. Type Canvas, create a professional personal color analysis infographic based on my profile. Reformat the layout into a clear table displaying palette classification, power colors that make me pop, accent makeup / jewelry shades, neutral wardrobe staples, and colors to avoid entirely. If available, you'll see a split view with chat on the left and a clean color document on the right. To refine outfit choices, select any row or color group in that canvas or document view. Use the comment bubble if present and write something like, I have a pale pastel lavender top that I want to love, but it washes me out. Look at my skin hex code and give me 3 alternative shades of purple or plum that will make my skin look brighter instead. Only that section will update. Finally, create visual try-ons and export your guide. In the chat box, paste. Using my established palette traits and the GPT Images 2.0 engine, generate a premium visual try-on infographic. If image generation is available, review the results, then use the export or download menu to save your guide as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. Keep it on your phone for stress-free shopping. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.